Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Task Manager on Windows 10 PC. For this, right-click on the free space on the desktop and select Add New and then choose Shortcut option. In the location box, type Task MGR and then click on this one Next button. Name it Task Manager and then click on this one Finish button. It will create a desktop shortcut for Task Manager. By double clicking on this one shortcut, you can open Task Manager, and in case you want to pin it to the taskbar, select this one shortcut icon and drag it to the taskbar. When you see pin to taskbar, lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the taskbar. By clicking on it, you can open Task Manager on your Windows 10 PC.